Hello everyone, I am Yogeshwar and my teammates are Abhinav, Dhanram Saran and Alfin. Here we are going to explain the problem statement and how it is going to work on using the design thinking. The problem statement is navigating the post-12 students for their career, for their upcoming career. Because the students are facing certain problems in choosing their career and we are going to make sure that is worked out and the students are going to choose their career properly. So the design thinking. The design thinking is of five types, which is empathy, define, ideate, prototype, and test. Here we are starting with the empathy part. Empathy is the part where we are going to pinpoint the problem of the audience, and define is the part where we are going to properly explain the problem statement, and ideate is the part where we are generating the ideas for the respective problem statement, and prototype is the part where we are going to build a tool which gives a proper solution for the problem statement, and test is the part where we are going to testing the prototype and make sure it works on properly. Here from here onwards, Alvin is going to start.
Hello everyone, I am going to explain about the empathy part of this problem statement. The students have been failing to choose their career under the pressure of the society and parents. In this case, their parents have been giving the knowledge about the course which is comes under to their mind and by the society. In that case, they have been forcefully taking the courses in that way. So they have struggled to complete it or else going through it. So to get rid of this, we have a solution. Hereafter, the conversation will be concluded by Dhanram Sara.
Hello, my dear friends. Here is the second part of design thinking, define. In that, we gonna unraveling the real problems, self-awareness. In that, students doesn't make any proper guidance of the courses they gonna choose in the college, or else doesn't know about their skills, which is have a particular course on that skills. Limited knowledge of a career path. In that, they have to break down every skills and choose a particular skill and develop that. Through that, they can create a proper ideation for their path, and they can join on the particular course through the breakdown of the path. Limited knowledge about the social exposures. They have to go for many internships, mentorships, and career creation course. For through that, they can seek many knowledge about their ideas in their head. Through that, it helps. Many of the students can get a proper roadmap for the course guidance. It helps many students to seek their knowledge. Hereafter, my friend Abhinav will take on the next part.
Hello everyone. As the third part of the design thinking, for our project, we gonna implement ideation part. In this, we are going to build a website which is going to give and guide the students for their career. In which we are going to split into step by steps. Like for first, we are going to make an online assessments which is for their personality as well as their aptitude test, which will help them to find their skill set and what actually they need and what they can do. So this will be helpful for analyzing their reports. As the next part, we will implementing the AI analyzation. So the AI will analyze their reports which will give a AI suggestion for their job roles which they will fit into it. So after finding the job role, they can will be easily we suggest through our platforms as a real-time working experts, connections, contacts, which will be helpful for them to work in a real-life structure, so they can experience and explore more things, which will be helpful for their career. And our platform will guide them for their skills, course, and what they actually needly want to do for their career path. So this will be the ideal path. From hereafter, the answer will continue the next part.
here is the fourth part of design thinking, prototype. In that we gonna make a proper website for the students. Through that they can make a proper connection with the college. Through that they can know many courses which they need in their real life. It will help to develop their profession. Through that AI assistant will help more data for the students. It can help in many ways. Through that students know many courses and their criteria based upon their skills. It will be very helpful for the students. Hereafter, Abhinav will continue the next part.
As the final part of design thinking, testing. In this, we gonna make the website to implement in a school or other education places, which will be used there and get feedback from students as well as teachers and parents, which will be helpful for us to make the website more efficient and to track the students. Is it helpful for really for their career path? So the next part will be concluded by Yogeshwar.
So as we discussed earlier about the problem statement, my teammates have given proper explanation and solution for the problem statement. So using this, the students can improve their career. Thank you.